Page 17, the drum. We're just using our new note, B, for the left hand. At the top of the page there, they have some words there. If you read the words, they keep calling it a play yard, middle C's play yard. And that's okay if that's what they want to do. I understand that if you're going to talk to somebody about music and you use the play yard time, they're not going to have any idea what you're talking about, because that's not what we talk about in music. We don't use play yards. That's just something this author is doing. So I don't refer to it at all. Let's look drum over. Let's go through our process. It's 4 measures long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes and half notes and a whole note at the end. And we're using our B's and D's. We're using 3 notes here. So let's try the right hand notes. You see you're here and you got 3 C or here. And then at the end you got 2 D's and a C. Okay. And the left hand we got C's and then 2 B's. Okay. So when we put them together we got the C's and then these C's, and then we got a couple B's, a couple D's, and a C. Okay. And once I got an idea of the notes and the fingering and that, then I go back and add the counting. I like to do this one thing at a time. And if it's simple enough, you can do it all together. But I want to teach you this process for learning a new piece of music. So I keep doing these things one at a time. You can combine them if you want. But here it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? Okay, so you go through and take out the hesitations. Keep it at any speed you want, doesn't matter, but no hesitations. And again, once you've learned the rhythm, you don't have to count it anymore, you feel it. Now a little bit about interpretation. You see the commas, rub, dub, dub, rub, dub, dub. Hear me play my drum. Well, what we can do is we can lift up and put a little silence between the first 3 measures. So it goes rub, dub, dub, rub, dub, dub. Hear me play my drum. And the silence is like taking a breath. Now, you don't mess up the beat on this. It's a steady beat. You're just lifting it up here a little early. So there's a little silence. Now you're going to get silence on repeated notes anyway. This is more silence. And then lift up. And then connect all this together. Just put in a little silence between the first and second measure and the second and third measure. Just lift up. It's like taking a breath. You don't have to. You could connect it all. See, an interpretation, it's how do you feel it should be interpreted. Because the music isn't saying anything about any of that. It's just giving you the notes and the rhythms right now. We'll learn the symbols for this other stuff a little later. I'm just trying to get you to feel this interpretation. You got to feel the music. Get beyond the notes and get into the music itself. After you've learned it and you feel you're ready, and you should play this without looking at the keyboard also. You want to feel this. Let's try it together very slowly. I'll give us 4 counts just to make sure you got all the right notes and rhythms. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Now there's a duet for this. I'd like to play that and you play what you just played. I'm going to alter the duet just a little bit so we're playing quarter notes. I'm playing quarter notes throughout so we can stay together. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.